Actually, I'm a bit busy now, but let me hear your problem. What is it?
I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Aurel, a student in your class every Tuesday at 10:40 a.m. on Chinese subject. I had a problem with my score during our midterm test previously, and I'm wondering why I got a lower score than my friends' score. And my purpose for coming here is to asking you that, do you mind if you check my paper again, miss?
Oh, I don't know about that. Well, where is your paper? Let me see first.
Here it is, miss.
Well, it might be my mistake when I correct students' paper. Okay, then I will check this later. Can you meet me again next Monday?
I'm terribly sorry, miss, but I have a class full on Monday.
Oh, how about Wednesday morning?
Okay, miss, I will meet you after my class.
Great. We will discuss about which number that you have problems, okay?
Awesome, miss. Well, thank you, miss. I will leave now. I'm sorry for disturbing your time. Have a nice day, miss.
No worries, dear. Have a great day too.